This is Tita Annie, vlogger. Ikot-ikot lang kami ni BG Belinda. Ayan, napakaganda ng rat house dito sa Hamburg, Germany. Spending time with BG Belinda channel. So yan yung tawag nila, rat house. Of Hamburg. So hope you enjoy, guys. Ayan, enjoy the view. Ayan, sa harbor, lakad-lakad. Ganda talaga dito. So when you visit Hamburg, make sure you visit dito sa area ng rat house. Beautiful view ng rainbow show. May rainbow water fountain show. Ayan. Salamat sa inyong panunood dyan. Hope you enjoy. Kasama ko si BG Belinda nagagala. And of course, ayan. Wala lang, dito lang kami bandang Hamburg. Paikot-ikot lang. Watching this, nice water fountain show with the rainbow. Kakain din kami mamayang gabi. Ayan, tapos lakad lang ng lakad hanggang mapagod. Ayan yung view ng rat house pa din yan, yung rat house tower. Ayan na nga, at ako'y nag-celebrate ng 52nd birthday ko kasama si Bebe Belinda dito sa Germany. And thank you guys for watching at sa mga greetings ng lahat. God bless all. Happy YT life lang kayo, ha. Enjoy, no stress. Enjoy